Optimal growth and development occurs on the border of support and challenge. Optimal learning occurs on the border of understanding and confusion. If you're a beginner wanting to learn how to make money online, it can get very overwhelming and confusing trying to figure out exactly how to go about it and where to start. And ultimately this confusion and lack of understanding is preventing you from making a start and really getting anywhere with making money online. While searching on YouTube, you've probably come across several gurus all explaining different ways that they're making money online. But they've already reached some level of success, and because they've been so successful, to you it just seems so out of reach and really just daunting. My name's Rory Goddard, and if you're new to my channel, I'm here to share my journey from making $0 to $10,000 a month and then scaling up from there. If you want to see what it's really like getting started making money online and how you can do it yourself, then please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell and come on the journey with me. As I learn from my mentor and as I gain experience and do my own research, I'm going to be sharing ideas, principles, and different understandings on how to make money online. But as a beginner myself, I'm going to be sharing it and breaking it down in ways that really relate to you. In today's video, I want to share with you a simple strategy that's perfect for beginners to get started making money online and really scale up to making your first $100 per day. The reason this strategy is perfect for beginners is because firstly, there's very little to no startup and operational costs, which means there's little barrier to entry and there's also little risk. This strategy also has the potential to make you passive income. Now, when I say passive income, I'm not saying that you're not going to have to put in any work. What I'm saying is any work or all the work that you put in initially is going to continue making you money long after you've done it. So with a traditional job, you actually have to be at work to make money. With this strategy, like I said, any work you do is going to continue making you money well into the future. This strategy is going to save you time, energy, and frustration because you don't have to come up with any of your own products or services to sell. It doesn't involve buying cheap products from China and selling them on Amazon, and it doesn't require you to make sales calls or get involved in any shady multi-level marketing that scares all of your friends and family off. With this strategy, you're actually helping people to solve their problems and overcome their challenges. So it's really quite a rewarding way to make money online. The strategy I'm referring to is known as affiliate marketing. Now, if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, it's basically the process of gaining a commission by recommending or referring people to purchase another business's product or services. So the great thing with affiliate marketing is you can actually identify a problem or a target audience that you want to help and a problem that you want to help them solve. And then you can go out and you can identify products and services that have already proven to help people solve these problems and overcome challenges in their life, and then all you need to do is find a way to get that product to the people who need it, and you're really serving these people by doing that, and in the process you're gaining a commission from every sale that's made. Before I explain how affiliate marketing works, I just want to point out that a little later in the video, I'm going to give you an exact example of how you can use affiliate marketing to make $100 per day. So I'm going to show you a product that you can promote, and I'm going to show you strategies that you can put in place to be successful. So the way affiliate marketing works is you find a company or a business that actually has an affiliate program who's selling a product or service that you're interested in providing to other people, and once you sign up to their affiliate program, you're then assigned a unique affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks on that link and purchases a product through that link, you actually gain a commission based on the affiliate program. So it's a percentage of the sale based on the affiliate program that's directly transferred into your affiliate account. Many affiliate programs provide what's called sticky cookies. So essentially, when someone clicks on your unique link, your affiliate ID is then stored in their browser for a certain period of time. And if they just say they visit your link and in that moment they decide not to buy, your affiliate program might provide sticky cookies for say 30 days. So anytime within that 30 days, if they go back to the product and decide to buy at a later time, you're still going to get the commission for that product, that sale. So how specifically can you use this strategy to make $100 per day? Let me give you a very precise example of how you can do that. So let's just say you want to help people who have a passion and an area of expertise that they want to share with people. But they not only want to share that with people, they want to make money from it. So let's look at an example of how you can help them, how you can make money by helping them. So to start sharing their knowledge and selling their products and services online, they're probably going to need a number of different tools to make that journey easier for them. So there's really three main tools that they're going to need to get started. The first tool that they're going to need is they're going to need a website, somewhere where they can share their content, write blogs, and really indoctrinate people into their world. It's also a place to display their products and services where customers can go to actually purchase them. The next thing they're going to need is, if they do want to sell their products and services online, they're going to need some sort of software to create sales funnels. Now, I'm sure you've seen now that just about everything online is being solved through sales funnels. If you're not entirely sure what a sales funnel is, then I recommend you go and watch my other video, What is a Marketing Funnel? So a marketing funnel is another name for a sales funnel. So the last tool that they're going to need is an autoresponder, so a piece of software that automatically sends out emails. Now, what they've shown is that people don't purchase, on average, people don't purchase until the 7th point of contact. So people don't usually purchase a product when on the first time that they're introduced to that product. It usually takes them a little while to start to know, like, and trust the company that's selling that product, and it takes them a while to really decide on handing over their money for something. So when someone's trying to sell, we're our ideal customer, our person who's wanting to share their passion online and make an income from it. If they're wanting to sell their products and services online, they're really going to need to set up email marketing, and so they've got a way to increase the points of contact with the customer. So they will attract the customer in through some piece of free content to get the email address off the customer, and then from there they've got an automated email sequence providing value to the customer and also educating them on other products that they have and services that they have to sell, and how that's going to help them solve their problem. So what you could do is you could set up a course or a program that teaches experts or professionals who have a passion that they want to share with people and make an income from it. You could teach them this whole process. You could teach them how to set up a website and a blog where they can share content and attract people in. You can show them how to set up sales funnels and really automate the sales process of selling products and services online. And then finally, you can teach them how to set up automated email sequences and why that's important. And throughout those that course, under each lesson relating to those different sort of topics, you can recommend products that have affiliate programs that you're going to make commission for. So for example, when you're teaching the customer how to set up a blog and how to get a website, they're going to need web hosting. Now, the web hosting that I recommend is Bluehost. So their affiliate program actually pays you $65 per sign up. So every time someone signs up to Bluehost, you'll get a commission of $65. In terms of the sales funnel, so when you teach them how to set up sales funnels, why that's important, you can also join up to the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now the ClickFunnels affiliate program gives you 40% commission. So and it's a software that you pay monthly for. So essentially you could be getting 40% of $97 per month. So that's around $38 per month by recommending that to someone. So you're teaching them why it's important within this free course that you offer them, why it's important, how it's going to help them sell their products and services online, and so beneath that lesson that you're teaching them, you're then linking them to go and purchase ClickFunnels or get the membership. The last thing is email marketing. So the one I recommend is GetResponse, and they have two different programs that you can sign up for. You can sign up for a bounty program where whenever someone becomes a paid member of GetResponse, you get $100 upfront. They also have a recurring income-based program. I think it's 30%. So I think it's around maybe $5 to $10 per month that you would make. So I'd probably prefer to just do the $100 option. So as soon as someone becomes a paid member, you get a $100 payout. So let me just give you a clear overview of what this looks like and how you'd set this all up. So essentially what you'd be doing is setting up your own sales funnel. So the first thing you would do is you'd be offering people experts who want to set up, or experts who have a passion that they want to share with people and make money from it. You'd be offering them a free course where they can learn how to do that. Within this course, you're going to be teaching them about how to set up their website and a blog, and then recommending them to Bluehost, and then every time someone signs up to Bluehost under your unique affiliate link, you're getting $65 there. And then another lesson that you might include is a lesson on sales funnels, and you'll show them what a sales funnel is, how a sales funnel works, and why it's important for them, and how it's going to help them sell their products and services online. And then you would link them to get ClickFunnels. Again, what you'd be making there is $38 per month. That's in the basic plan. They also actually have another plan that I didn't mention earlier that's, I think it's $297 per month. So you could be potentially making about $111 per month with that option. And the last thing is GetResponse. So an automated email, an autoresponder, something that sends out automated emails. So you'd be teaching them about how to set up automated email sequences, teaching them why that's important and how it's going to help them to solve their how it's going to help them to sell their products and services. So teaching them about increasing the points of contact with the customer, providing value through emails, so the customer can get to know, like, and trust them, so that when they do offer them products, they're more likely going to make that purchase. And then underneath that lesson, you're linking them to go and purchase GetResponse. And of course, you're going to use GetResponse as you're teaching them how to set up an automated email sequence. You'll be showing them through GetResponse, so it's going to make it a lot easier for them to do it if they get that particular autoresponder, and through that affiliate program you're going to make $100. So if you take people through that process, potentially you're earning upfront $165, and then a recurring income of either $38 or $111. So what you're doing here is you're recommending products to people who need these products. So these people need these products to make their goals and their dreams come true. And on top of that, you're providing value to them. You're showing them how to actually do that. So you're going to make these people know, like, and trust you, by providing that value. And why would they not buy through your affiliate link if if you're doing that, if you're showing them exactly how to make their goals become a reality? To really dominate this strategy, another thing that you could do that will help you really scale up even further is to provide a bonus package. So what you'll do is say to these people that are coming through your funnel that if they do purchase through your affiliate link, they're going to get an additional bonus. So you can really be creative with this, but for example, an example might be, let's say that if they do sign up to GetResponse under your affiliate link, you might say that as a bonus, you'll actually set up their autoresponder for them. So all they'd need to do is send you the content for their emails, and you'd actually set it up for them. But yes, like I said, you could get creative with the different bonus packages that you could use, but essentially you want to give them a bonus package that makes their life a lot easier in what their end goal is, and helps them to overcome other challenges that they might be faced when they're trying to put this in place. So the last thing you'd need to do to really make this strategy work is you need to be generating traffic. You need to be getting that initial offer of providing that free course to people out to the right people. So the way you might do this, you really have two main options, and the first option is through paid ads. So that might be through like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, that type of thing. But what I'd suggest is probably starting off with free traffic. So things like YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram. You can use another option might be blogging. So starting your own blog that's providing value and educating this specific niche on how they can start to sell their products online, and then linking back to that free course that you're offering, and showing them the bonus package that they're going to get when they sign up through your affiliate links. Now, while I suggested 3 different affiliate programs that you could use, you could, if you wanted to, just stick to GetResponse. So you could just be educating and providing some sort of free content for setting up automated email sequences, and then linking people to purchase GetResponse. And if you could do that one time per day, that's your $100 per day that you're making just for referring people who need this product to a product that is really easy to use and very, very functional for setting up automated email sequences. And again, you could be providing bonuses packages, so that once you've educated these people on why they need this software, showing them or saying to them that they're also going to get these added bonuses if they purchase through your affiliate link. So it's something that they already need, but if they purchase through your affiliate link, they're going to get these additional bonuses. So why wouldn't they? Alright, so that's everything for today's video. If you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, how you could get started with this whole process, or learn how to identify other products within different niches that you're more interested in, please comment below. If you want to learn how to set up automated email sequences, how to set up funnels, anything like that, just head down to the comments below and you can ask me anything you like. I'm more than happy to help out. Other than that, if you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again for tuning in.